Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video is about getting back to me, like self-care. And with that being said, today is a rainy day, guys. It's so relaxing, it's so peaceful. I love days like this, and honestly, I really don't feel like doing anything. I don't like going outside. I don't like cooking. I don't like cleaning. I really just like doing nothing. But today, I couldn't hold off any longer because I missed my devotions prior week. So today I will be doing my devotions and getting back to my scripture reading and regaining my connection with God, guys. So because me having a better connection with God, let me tell you guys, that keeps me at peace. That keeps me at calm. Amongst other things, that is like a priority now because I see the difference in when I lack my prayer, I lack my studies and things of that nature. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever feel like that, like you just need that time to regain your inner peace. Does that make sense, guys? I just be so like lost sometimes for words, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Um, yeah, but I'm just gonna let you guys listen to the sounds because they were so peaceful to me and so relaxing. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I will see you guys next time.